Welcome to my channel where we talk about little things in life. Many of you have been following my journey to go natural. That is to let all of this hair color grow out. And this is an update on that. It's been 2 months since I had a haircut, and I will be getting one in the next few days, if not by next Tuesday. And I'll give you another update at that time. But I just wanted to go over with you just a few things that I would do differently if I were to start this journey or had the opportunity to start completely over. And by the way, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. And if you like this video and would like to see more content like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And I'd appreciate that as well. So let's talk about those 6 things that I personally would do differently. And I've got a little cheat sheet here, so I'm going to be referring to it. But first of all, I would give myself 2 years. If I had a deadline, for instance, I had a goal to have all of my hair natural by January of 2019, due to the fact that that is a milestone birthday for me, and I just wanted my hair all silver or gray or whatever it is it's turning out to be. And I'm finding out that would take me 2+ years, and that is to have my hair a little bit longer than it's going to be this January. So if you want your hair longer, give yourself 2 years if you've got a specific goal in mind or a specific milestone that you want your hair all natural by. Now the next thing is I would leave the roots around my part alone. I started this journey 16 months ago, and exactly 1 year ago next month was the last time that I just colored the root section where my part is. I colored it a little bit around the crown, and then I extended it all the way down for about 1.5 inches, 2 inches on each side, as far as how far I went. And what's happened is I have this now. Just, well, some sort of funky grandma ombre look, but yeah, that's what I've got. And most of that is all the color that I have left. So just doing that for 5 months, I believe it was, yes, 5 months, is extending my going natural, the completion of going natural by 5 months. So just keep that in mind. And again, if you've looked at some of my other videos, you learned that after doing that for 5 months, I realized all it did was give me what I considered a bad comb over look, only with hair color. Now, the third thing I would do differently is get a short haircut, as short as you can stand it. I look like my dad, my uncles, and my grandpa. When I have short hair, I look a lot like them. And I prefer my hair longer, but I think for just a few months, I could have really stood having my hair cut shorter. In fact, it's short to me now. Usually it's a lot longer than this. And I am getting shaggy, you can tell. I am in desperate need of a haircut. But get a short haircut, as short as you can stand it. What is left of the hair, number 4, is bleach that hair out. Either get your hairdresser to do it, someone who knows what they're doing, have them bleach that color out. I would not put color remover on my hair, simply because it really strips your hair. It does a lot of damage there. But You could get it bleached out. I know that does damage as well, but get that bleached out. If you can go Daenerys Targaryen, go Daenerys Targaryen. And as that grows out, number 5, get your hairdresser to look at how your root growth or how the hair is coming out, and get her to put in some low lights to blend in. And I'm telling you, you will have a rocking haircut, and you can tint it a bluish tint, a silvery tint. You can do so much with it when you have bleached it out. You can put all these tints in it, and it's not expensive to do. I do want to show you something, just give you an idea of how much my hair has grown out. Here, you can see that this side is a little bit, there's just a little hair left. And on this side, of course, I have a lot more of color left. And the texture here is so different from the texture here. This is all virgin hair. And when it's grown out, it feels so soft. Already, this feels so soft. You will love the texture of your hair as it grows out. Now, I want to show you the back. As you see there, around my crown, it is darker. And you can see that the color itself, there's not much left to it. But the roots are darker right around the crown. I also have a dark ducktail. And I think your hairdresser can follow those lines and give you some pretty lowlights to go with the bleaching out process that you have just done. And it will really give you an incredible look as your hair grows out. Now, if you're trying to save money by going natural, it may cost you a few more dollars, or you may have to find some way of doing it yourself. There are so many DIY YouTube videos on coloring your hair. Now, for me, I experiment with a little piece of hair underneath, and you know what? It didn't work for me. But if you have a friend that knows what they're doing, or if you and your hairstylist can work together for a few extra months, trust me, you cut your hair off short, it will grow out pretty quickly. Now, I told you 6 things that I would do differently, and here is the 6th thing. Be patient. I am not a patient person. I have had to learn patience the hard way, but it's still, I have been anxious to get this finished and to get this color gone. But you will need to be patient. Get yourself a really good haircut too that you can live with. I have let mine go a little bit too long. Oh, I'm getting into 7 things now. I have let my hair go a little too long without a haircut. I hope you've got some benefit out of my 6, which ended up to be 7 things I would do differently and going natural. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button, and I'm trying to make sure I'm having to look at my monitor to make sure I put my finger in the right spot. But hit that subscribe button. And my next video will be how to make my turnip green soup. It is on my blog. In fact, it's probably one of the most popular posts that I have on my blog. And I understand people love it. And I've got a video already made up. I've just got to edit it and get it uploaded. So, if you like good comfort food, the turnip green soup is for you. Thanks for watching.